everyone, I am Usharani. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to explain about the maths paper presentation tips and tricks for the board examination. How to get or how to score good marks in board exam. That's very important. If you know all answers also, the presentation is very important. How you are presenting the answers, that is very important. So be carefully, you have to follow, you have to listen what I am telling. So for the maths examination, you have to carry these all things. Must and should. You should carry that ballpoint, blue and black pen, next pencil, eraser, scale, compass box. These are all must and should. You should carry. And don't forget about the hall ticket. Next, after coming to the examination hall, they will give you the answer sheet. On the answer sheet, whatever the details they have given, just write that hall ticket number, examination subject, examination date, and whatever the details they have given, those are all you have to fill up on the OMR sheet. Later, question paper. First you read the question paper. Before reading the question paper, just you have to check the question paper whether the print is correct or not. Now, if the print is okay, then you have to follow the next step. If the print is not okay, just inform to the examiner, then they will give you the another paper. If the print is good, then you have to read the question paper. Thoroughly read the question paper once. And after reading the question paper, then you will get some idea about the question paper. How is the question paper? Is it easy or difficult? And how many questions you can answer? Those are all you will get some idea. So after that, first what are the questions you know very well? Those questions you have to answer. First section 1, in that part A and part B, and the part A, section 1, section 2 and section 3, 3 parts. Just you have to write the heading part A. In that also section 1, just you have to write the headings. Next question paper, whatever the question you are writing the answer, you are writing the solution, that you have to mention on the answer sheet. First, suppose this is the answer sheet. On that answer sheet, just draw 2 lines. On the left hand side, just 2 centimeter border is enough. On the right hand side, just a little bit big scale width, 1.5 big scale width. You take and draw the perpendicular line or vertical line. This is the vertical line. These two are vertical lines. Like this you should draw. And here just you write part A. Part A you are mentioning. Next to section 1. And after that, which question you are answering first, you have to choose. Whether you know the first answer or not, no need to worry. What are the questions you know thoroughly, those answers only you have to write first. So suppose if you don't know the first answer properly, then write the second one. Whatever the question you are writing, that question number must and should you write here thoroughly. Properly you write. Second one, solution. No need to write the question here. Read the question on the question paper, and after that just write the given data. Always you should write the given data. For maths examination, you should follow one strategy. You will get the marks like this, and for each and every question, first write the given data. So given data also you will get marks, depends upon the marks, maximum marks. Suppose 2 marks question is a half mark they will give you for the given data. Here given data you write first. Given data you will step by step you write. Neatly you have to write down. Next, any formula is there, just you write the formula. For the wrong formula also you will get marks, depends upon the maximum marks. And last step, calculations. And after getting the calculation, after getting the answer, you have to write down therefore the answer, whatever the answer. Suppose perimeter or the rectangle, or whatever the value is given, that you have to, what is the question they asked in that question, that you have to write down the answer here properly. Therefore, for this step also you will get the marks. So given data, next any formula is a relating formula, that formula you have to write, and next calculations, and next therefore conclusion. This is the answer. For these 4 steps you will get the marks. Suppose if it is a 2 marks question, then you will get half mark, half mark, half mark and half marks. Suppose if it is a 4 marks question, for given data 1 mark, next any formula is there, for that formula you will get 1 mark, and again the calculations 1 mark, and any some more values on it, that also you will get mark, and therefore answer also you will get half mark. And one more thing you have to remember, here on that any other calculations are there, any rough work is there, here you have to beside only, here step beside, here only you have to do that calculations. Any rough work, here only you have to do. Then they can understand easily, here is the correctly you done here, to that only you have written the answer. Like that they can understand. So you have to write like this. And any big rough work is there, on the back side one paper you have to take, and there you write the heading rough work, and just last page you write the heading rough work. On that page you can do any other big calculations. Any small calculations are there, beside the problem here only, in this column only you have to do. This is the main thing. And the formulas, all formulas you have to write down and draw one rectangular box with the scale and pencil. That is also very, very important. So part A, in that part A, section 1, section 2, section 3. Section 1, suppose you have to do all sums. That means if whatever the sums you know, those problems first you do clearly. Next, if you don't know some questions, suppose 1 or 2 questions, if you have some doubt, then what you have to do, don't leave any single question also. That is very, very important. Why? Because sometimes our portion is also they will give you that time. If you attempt the question, then you will get the full marks for that question. If you are not attempting, then you can't get the marks. You will lose marks. So each and every question, if you know or don't know also, you have to attempt. First, known questions you have to do all questions clearly, step by step, and don't skip any other step. All calculations step by step you have to do. Okay. Next, suppose if you don't know that 1 or 2 questions, just question number you write and given data you write. Any other formula if you know, that you write. Any calculations if you have doubt, anything if you have doubt, then just leave some space and next question you continue. So for that given data, at least for the given data also you will get mark. So don't leave any other question. If section 1 is completed, next go to the section 2. Same procedure. Again that which question you know perfectly, that question you attempt. Write the question number correctly first. You write that answer. Again step by step. Don't skip any other step. Step by step you have to write, and clearly you have to write down each calculations also you have to write down properly. And last conclusion, therefore the answer, whatever the answer, that you have to write down. For that step you will get the marks. Like that. Again section 1, section 2, section 3. Suppose on any other page, suppose section 3 if you want to start, already started that section 3 here. In that, these are the 6 marks questions or any 4 mark question if you are writing also. One page and one page, suppose till this you have taken the space and very less space is there in that particular page to start the next question, then don't start the question here. In this less space, we don't start the next question. Turn the page and write the or start the next question. Why? Because if you write the question here, something given data and next calculations if you do on the next page, that is the confusion to the examiner. Again they have to check back. So don't do like this. Leave the space here and turn the page and write the next question. Like this you have to follow. So, and must and should you have to concentrate on the graph. Graph question must and should you will get. So, graph you have to practice. I already explained about the third question. Polynomials, third chapter. Graph, how to construct the graph for the linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial. One I explained. Then you will get the idea to draw the graph. So, and the next 4th chapter also pair of equations. In that also you will get the questions. So, graph you have to concentrate, must and should you will get the question. and 4 marks or 6 marks question you can get. So easily you can get the marks, full marks in that question. Like this procedure you have to follow, then you will get good marks, more than 95% marks you will get, then you will get A1 grade. In that, before going to the examination, what you have to follow in each and every chapter. First chapter, what are the important formulas? By heart all the formulas. Any important definitions, those also you have to by heart. Any concepts are there, those also you have to by heart. Just learn formulas by heart. Must and should you have to by heart the formulas. If you don't know the formula, then you cannot do any other problem. If the problem is the formula is wrong, then entire problem will be wrong, then you will lose mark. So don't do like those type of mistakes. Avoid those mistakes. By heart formulas. Every day 10 minutes you spend time to learn the formulas. Write all formulas every day. You have to remember. And trigonometric table, that also I already explained trigonometry. Trigonometry table, trigonometry angle values also you have to by heart, and formulas also you have to by heart. Then you will get easily the marks. Then you can score more than 95% marks. Then you will get A1 grade. This is 100% guarantee. So I will make another video. In that video, what are the important questions from each and every chapter, that also I will give you, that you have to follow. Then definitely you will get more than 95% marks. So be concentrated. Okay. Don't waste your time to think for the unknown questions. If you don't know any other question, just leave it the question first. Whatever the questions you know, those questions first you answer. Last you have to think about the unknown questions. At that time also, if you don't know, just write the given data, and if you know any other formula, that only you write. For the given data also you will get the marks. Like that you have to present your paper. And part B, and here the time management is very important. Within time you have to write the answers. You have to complete your answer full. Your examination within time you have to complete. So fast write the answers. Whatever you know thoroughly, those are all fast you have to write down. And writing is also very important. And any other wrong step is there. Suppose here any other step is wrong. Then what you have to write down here, something you wrote here. Don't do like this. Don't scratch like anything is wrong. Just you draw one line. Draw the cross line. Just it's enough. With the pencil also you can draw like this. Like that only you do. If entire question is wrong, then draw the box like this, and here into you keep. Wrong you can write. Like this you have to write. So time management, you have to always check your time. Carefully write the answers. Neatly you have to present your paper. And unknown questions, for those unknown questions, just write the given data. Later you can think about the question. First known questions you have to complete. And later, half an hour before, they will give you the part B paper. In that part B paper, just all questions are multiple choice questions. So each and every question you have to attempt. If you don't know any of the question, don't leave the question. Whether it is in the question paper or in the objective paper, in any other question also, don't leave any single question. First thing. Objective, if you don't know what are the questions, you know thoroughly, same as the question paper, write the answers fast. First tick that answers on the answer sheet with a pencil. Just you have to mark it. Suppose A, B, C, D, like that they will give you. Just here small mark you have to keep first. First question you read. If you know the answer, just mark it, whatever the right answer. Next question. Like that all questions you have to read, and just with the pencil or with a pen you have to mark, small mark it like this. And later, once again read the question. Whether this answer is correct or not, you have to check it once again and write the answer in the bracket. Like one time only you have to write it. Should not change that objective. Don't rewrite that any other alphabet. That's very important. If you rewrite, then they won't consider that question. Like this you have to write. If you don't know some answers, You have to guess any other alphabet, you have to write down. Don't leave any other single objective bit also. That is a way of presentation. So, understood clearly? Understood clearly? Okay. Then you have to follow like this. Then you will get good marks and all the best. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you all. Once again, thank you.